It is common for plumbers to throw around the term backpitch and tell you the sewer flow is no good because your pipe is backpitched. But does anyone know what it truly means, or even better, what it looks like? This is a perfect example of what a backpitch sewer looks like. Your sewer line is supposed to run in gravity and drain downwards towards the city's sewer, like this. Here we have a perfectly functional sewer running downstream like it's supposed to. No obstructions or concern of this sewer line backing up anytime soon. Now we transition into the backpitch sewer line. As you can see, there is water sitting in the pipe, and at this point, if someone would try to use the sewer line, it would either have to present enough force to push through this backpitch, or the sewage would end up backing up towards the main house trap. Key point to look at is how the camera comes out of the water and transitions into a section of the pipe that is functional without any water sitting in the bottom of the pipe. This is how you can tell for certain that the pipe is backpitched and it's not a sewer break or clog that is causing the water to sit inside the pipe. As we continue further down the line, you can see the pipe is in decent shape and, most important, is running well. Here we encounter an offset joint, which is not the end of the world, but as you can see, it is a great place for paper towels to get caught and at some point cause a backup. You'll see that the camera is trying to jump the joint, but is struggling to do so. This is a good example of what would happen with your sewage as it attempts to make its way to the city sewer. The two options with the sewer in this condition is try to repair a section of the pipe that's backpitched and use the rest of the pipe as is until it fails. The risk with this option is you may have to repair the line multiple times, and as a result will cost you more money than if you will replace the line at once. The most cost-effective option is if you do replace the entire pipe at once by excavating and removing the old clay pipe to install new extra heavy cast iron pipe.
Make sure to like and subscribe to catch all our videos in the future.